So how long?
Yes, I have been learning this language for 1 year, but I have been using this application about 10 months.
Okay.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I am asking another question to you. And what do you think, is English grammar important only for speaking English?
Actually, yes, grammar is important, but not that much when we study it as a subject in a school. No, don't need that much. Whatever it needs for speaking purpose, that much you can learn.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, during your schooling study, during your study at that time, did you like the English subject?
Yes, I used to like my favorite one of my favorite subject was like English and life science. That two language subject was my favorite.
Yes. But I did not like this subject because also I have to face a lot of problems. But I used to like mathematics subject. That's why. And ma'am, I would like to ask another question to you. And English vocabulary is also important for learning this language. Yeah, and I belong to village area. There is no good English environment in our locality at my house, and I don't have a lot of vocabulary in my brain. While speaking, I get stuck, lack of vocabulary. But ma'am, how did you improve your vocabulary skill? What kind of method
Yes.
do you follow for improving your vocabulary skill?
Actually, I was from YouTube. Every day I try to learn at least five vocabulary. I have a routine to learn daily ways target. I have. So like this, I add every day adds five vocabulary. It will
Yes, yes.
improve and try to use that. Every day try to learn new vocabulary and use that in your daily life.
Yes, yes. And do you like reading English newspaper? Do you like reading English storybook for improving your vocabulary skill?
I used to like, but nowadays I don't know. I'm not interested.
I I I also don't like reading. That's why also I have to face a lot of problem for improving my vocabulary skill. Yeah, but
But I like writing.
I also like writing. Whenever I chat with on my friends, Facebook or WhatsApp, I always like write in English. Yeah, that's why also I
But I
practice it.
don't like to chat. But I don't like
Yes.
to chat. I like to write in notebook. Whatever actually what I do, what I used to do since my beginning time. Whatever I did my whole day. Whenever I used to go for sleeping, before going sleep, I used to write whatever I did, I cooked, wherever I went, everything I used to write. So that helps. Yeah, that helps too much.
Yes, yes. I also, whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English. And at that time also, I watch the video with subtitle. Yeah. And at that time also, I read. Yeah. And at that time also, I find find the few new words. After that also, the collecting the word, I use my sentence while speaking English. Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes.
And ma'am, in your locality, do you have any friend? Do you have any partner for practicing purpose?
Really, like actually, I don't stay in West Bengal. I stay in Bangalore. Okay, so here I can get so many people to talk.
Oh yeah. Right now you are staying in Bangalore. You are making this video in Bangalore. Oh
Yeah.
yes. Yeah, in Bangalore
So
also, Bangalore there is a good English environment. Yeah, so many people they also speak
yeah,
English.
yeah. Everywhere you will get English partner to speak. Partner, not like you can speak with real people.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, you can ask me any question. I have asked so many questions to you.
Okay. So, what's your future goal? What do you want to do in your future?
Yes, actually, my my goal is right now also I want to be a good English speaker. This is my goal, and that's why also every single day, whenever I get free time, I always try to speak to another person for improving my English skill. And my goal is I want to be a good English speaker. This is my goal. And what is your
Okay.
future plan? And what do you want to be in future?
Yes, yes. I want to work on this career. I want to take these skills as a career, but I don't know. I'm trying.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I noticed that I am talking with you. You are also speaking English very well. But how much time do you practice every single day?
Actually, nowadays I don't practice more. But yes, minimum 2 hours you have to give for practicing. A lot, like not only practicing, you can speak, you can read, you can write, everything total you can give for 2 hours. Yes, nowadays I'm not giving more time.
Mm. Ma'am, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have.
Oh, yeah.
Recently, I actually no, I created last year maybe, but I was not uploading. Recently, I started to upload. I'm not too much active. I don't upload regularly, but I'm trying to upload in my future regularly. Do you upload regularly? Yeah, maybe
Yes,
you
yes.
upload.
Yes, every single day I upload the video on my YouTube channel. And ma'am, what kind of content do you upload on your channel?
Actually, conversation video I started to upload. Maybe 5 videos is there, and shorts video. I upload
Short video.
shorts. Hmm.
And do you, and when you upload the short video on your channel, and at that time, in which language do you use?
Actually, Bengali to English sometimes, and only English also. Only English or Bengali to English.
Yes, yes. Actually, when you upload the any video, grammatical video on your YouTube channel, that at that time also you have to use your native language. Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. Actually, if you want to teach something, if you want to share something, then you have to use that Bengali language,
Yes, yes.
our mother tongue. Yeah.
Mm. Yes, yes.
What about you? What kind of videos do you upload?
Yes, most of the time also I upload the conversation video, but whenever I get free time, I make the blog video, and I have already uploaded 6 video on my channel. Yeah, blog video.
Blog video. Is it long or short?
Oh, only for 8 minutes or 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Great. Do you go outside or do you make video in our
No,
inside?
no, no. No, I made this video in another place, in the field area.
Okay, okay. You don't make public place,
Yes, yes.
public place.
No, no, no. No. Actually, I first of all I have to select a place there was no one. Yeah.
That is the main problem for everyone.
Yes,
So
yes,
we
yes,
are not comfortable in public place to speak or make videos.
yes, yes,
We just we wait for some time for that bucket place.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
All right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. We are talking about 20 minutes, and thank you for giving your
Yes,
valuable time. You are also speaking English very
thank
well.
you,
I have learned a lot of things from you. Yeah. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you.
thank you,
Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hmm.